Hey guys, so before going to the last part of this video, many of you may face problem while connecting to the database. So let be honest to my topic that I am going to cover the complete hosting. Let's also connect to the database. As my project shows that this is does not taking any action with the server not the database, right? We already have installed the phpmyadmin in the videos, but we are not fetching any data from the database, right? So for this, let's do some changes in code so that we just fetch a number or anything from the database, and after you learn that you can change your code accordingly. So first of all, open the website, right? This is our website and that is stayed in the localhost. So first of all, we need to change it here. So let me quickly change some code. Hey guys, so after modifying the code a bit, like you can check, this is the modification. I just use the database to keep a record how many times my website is being used. Like it's just a number storing in the database whenever I did a post request, and also gaining the timestamp last used time from the database. You can check the database. This is the database YouTube and table records, and this is the structure. This is a primary key and the rest of the data are required in your database, right? So now let's begin the action. You can check if I run the code, anything like 5, anything you can give, okay, and you can check total use time increase to 6, right? And also the timestamp, you can check the timestamp is modified as well same time. So this is very basic website along with database integration. Now what is the main task we need to do? First of all, you need to check how I have done this. I just use the database connection. This connection is going to be changed in my host file, right? The server is changed to the IP address and the username and password is same will be you give in the phpmyadmin. Okay, now before that you also have to copy the YouTube database into your server database. So you can check, this is the database IP address. Okay, let's move phpmyadmin. Okay, I think the password is set to be wrong. Yes, let's do it again. Okay, we are good to go. Now just simply, it's very easy, just simply export this records.sql. You can get. Now import. Okay, before importing, create a table. Table name will be same as YouTube, no issue. Just create YouTube database created, YouTube, right? Okay, now import, ignore all, choose file. Now mention this is records.sql, right? Okay, it stays in the download folder. Let me open. Okay, downloads folder and records.sql. Let's go. Okay, we have successfully done. There is the table and the data. Change it to 1. Yeah, no issues. But this is important that the server time is set to be Asia where you are belonging to. So I am leave this to you and I am going to continue with the rest. So first step is done. We have implement the database in the server. Now it's time to modify the code, right? So before that, just simply reveal in file explorer. We have host file, right? Here is the host files. What are the things that we must change? First of all, this one. Okay, I have revealed in file explorer. This is tv connect, control C, and let's move to the host file, this one. Okay, now open with this code. Yeah, now set the database to IP address, paste. Okay, we have wrong. Let's open the clipboard. This one. Okay, great. Password is, I'm going to set. Wait a minute. Hey guys, so I have set the password. Now it's time to modify the index.php, right? So just open with it code. And now our task is to just simply not to simple copy and paste, but also we have to focus that whether we have modified the folder name or not, right? The absolute address, that's all that we did in the previous video, creating the host file, right? So this is the host file, right? So I have to exit. Now this one, I think, yes, so index.php is here. Our first file is right, this one, I think we are here. Okay, let me open. Okay, I lost the host file. Okay, let me open it again. Okay, now make it full screen as well. You can also format document first. Yeah, we did. Format document with PHP intelligence, whatever, it's okay. Next task is to modify this area. Next task is to modify this section and you are good to go. Just after the div. Yes, and at the end I think I have not done anything more, right? So now let's host this into our IP address. So for this you just need the filezilla and the cpmb command, right? So let's open the filezilla. Let's use the quick connect, I think this one. Okay, it took time, let's wait some time. Yeah, it done, and this is the file we are looking for. Just to edit this one inside the Azure host file, right? We have modified already. Just simply drag and drop. it asks for to exchange, right? Yeah, transfer finished. Let's check once. Assets. Okay, another host file is here. That's not good. So we have to delete this, right? So just delete. Yeah, now again. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, our DB connect is here. That's mean we have already updated our source files, right? So now quickly SSH into the server. Okay, we need to read wrong paste. Let's see where is our IP. This one. Now it asks for the password. Before doing anything, let me show. But before that, I'm recording this session after the last part, right? So I already have SSL in my website right now, but you will get the next part quickly very soon after this video. So in this website you may see the log padding already, but don't afraid, you will I am going to cover everything. Let it open. So as you can check, it opened successfully and already secured. I'm going to cover, don't afraid. Okay, now you can check the website is not modified till, and we are going to change the source files right now. We already did till now that opening FileZilla and transfer the source file into our home directory where we have the permission, but now we have to use the sudo command and change the source file into the var directory, right? I'm going to show here first ls. Okay, I'm going to do this again. Right. Okay, clear, I think. Yes, now this looks very clean. Okay, now just simply ls and you can check the host files. If I do cd host file and ls and also do cd assets and host file, yes, we have the db connect. Also if we just open the index.php, we can check our code is already updated. Yes, that's great. Just exit. Okay, that's great. Now we have to do this into our server, right? Now the task is how you, if you do these changes after a very long month of period or many years, you don't recall where your host files are exist in the server, right? So what should you do? First of all, my recommendation is to open the documentation, right? So let me open it. So as you can check, I have opened the official documentation, this one, and you have to run this kind of command. First of all, what are the sites available to you? Now ls, I have the multiply.solvematrix.software.conf, right? So now just simply sudo vim, no need to sudo, just simply check the file conf, and you can check our document root is just var /www/multiply. Now we got the point, right? Now just simply escape qa semicolon. Now cd, no need to cd, just simply cd, give absolute address this host file is there, right? Now cp host, okay, we have to use the sudo cp minus r because I also copy the documents root the folders, right? Now cp minus r and host files, all elements inside var www multiply, right? Yes, we are good to go. Now just simply go to there ls assets. Let's look into the assets. ls, yes, we have the db connect right here. So we have done everything. Okay, let's open the db connect as well that we have done, or maybe if it does not work then we are going to open. Before that we just need to restart our server. So just simply copy this code and restart, and yeah, let's see now. Okay, let it reload. Hey guys, so as you can check now it says fail to connect to db, so we need to check on the database first of all, but before that use Ctrl Shift R again and once and wait a minute. Hey guys, the problem is still arise, but let's do a secondary thing. Just as we use the cp command, this one, we just simply transfer this into html. Let's, okay, right, so first of all change to home. Now again run this command. Okay, now just restart the server, this one. Okay, now just simply copy the ip. Now let's see if it working or not. Hey guys, my bad, because I am doing the silly mistake again and again in the code. When I am doing the dbconnect.php, here the username I set the root, but the server is not the IP address. The server will be localhost, because the localhost is, yeah, is you set while installing phpmyadmin, if you remember, right? So my bad and sorry for the delay. Let's do it. Okay, so first of all we have to open, right, sudo vim dbconnect.php, right? Okay, first before that we have to jump to the directory. I think the code is saved somewhere. Here it is. Now just simply open by vim this one. Okay, my bad, don't save this qa. We have to jump to assets. Now open. Okay, now change the server name as localhost. wq. Now just simply sudo service apache to restart. Great, now refresh again and you are good to go. Hey guys, hope you understand everything I have seen in this video. You can check it working perfectly, right? But don't go to the time, because it's server time and it's weird. You can check this is very greatly working. So in the next and last video you will get to know everything about SSL and the quickly SSH trick. Till then, stay safe and subscribe, and also thanks for watching. Goodbye.